Hey guys, welcome back to TLP Creation. So in this video, we will be unboxing this awesome looking Bushin Ashura. Let's move on to the unboxing. So guys, as you can see, this is the original TakaraTomy Japanese release. In India, it was never released. And you might wonder how I got this in India. I bought it from a seller named Yoginstinct. I will give the link of the channel in the description. So let's quickly open it up. Actually, I've opened everything. There's nothing inside the box. Yeah, that's my Beyblade Bushin Ashura. As soon as I got the package, I just opened it up and did some test launches and battles. Still, it's a new one. This is the sticker sheet. I won't be using it. And you guys know why I won't use it, because I'm very bad at putting stickers. Here's a Bushin Ashura. It's very awesome in the close-up view. It's very shining in the dark green color, guys. It's very awesome. I personally like this Beyblade very much. I don't know why this Beyblade has very bad teeth. Maybe TT thought they would just ruin it up in real life. And it also has 6 blades like this. I mean 6 small blades and 6 big blades. The driver is a free spinning rubber ball, guys, and the disc is also free spinning. The driver is keep driver and the disc is hurricane disc. It kinda reminds me of the Jet Wyvern and Tornado Wyvern released. So let's take the Beyblade part by part and take a closer view of it. So this is a awesome looking vibrant green. It's awesome, guys. Our Bushin Ashura layer. As you can see, it's the tri-screw, which shows it is original TakaraTomy. And here's a free spinning hurricane disc. And here's a free spinning rubber ball keep driver. And this is not a good driver, guys, because the rubber ball always sticks onto the stadium even if there is good attacks. So you can see it's very awesome, guys, inside of it. So here is a chip, Ashura chip. First we'll see the weight. This is the 10 weight, not the number 10, it's the 10 in Japanese. I don't know the meaning of it. And it's a 4-star too, which is very cool. Now let's take the Ashura chip. You can see the teeth in it. It's not a good teeth. Maybe I can just switch on to my Spriggan's chip. And this 10 weight is of like X shape, guys. I don't know why they made an weight like that for just an egg shape. So even the disc is of 4 stars, which is very awesome because this is the ultimate 4-star Beyblade. The clicks are not that good, they go off very easily. But however, this is not going to be my ace Beyblade, which I'm going to use for battles. It's just for a collection purpose and it's looking awesome. And I liked Aman and Ashura in the anime. So now let's do a quick test launch with my proto launcher. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Yeah, it's just taking up the center and nothing much to tell about it, guys. It's just a normal right spinning Beyblade. I don't know how it's looking in the camera, guys, but in real life it's looking very awesome. It's the most beautiful Beyblade I ever bought. So now Super Hyperion versus Bushin Ashura. And there goes Super Hyperion inside the pocket. Imagine a Beyblade like Bushin Ashura beating Super Hyperion. The rubber ball is already dirty because of the dust in my stadium. I'm too lazy to clean it up. So here's the proto launcher which I got with it, guys. Ashura does not come with the proto launcher, but I got this extra. As you can see, the launcher is, it's like mint condition launcher, guys. It's like not even like mint, it's like a new in box proto launcher. Thank you, Yoginstinct. So now let's do against what is that? Some rock tower, guys. And that's it, rock tower goes down. Ashura wins the battle. This is why I like Ashura, guys. Next up, Nightmare Luino. I hope Nightmare Luino loses the battle so that no one can tell Ashura is worst. Yeah, Luina lost and Ashura won. Next battle against Variant Lucifer. It's obvious that we will know who the winner is within 5 seconds. The winner is Bushin Ashura, I can tell it straight up now itself. Because Variant Lucifer is not good against right spins, it quickly drains up everything. So next up we'll bring in Lord Spriggan. Oh, what a slow launch from Lord Spriggan. It's stuck on that proto launcher. I hate proto launchers. But this proto launcher which I got from him was very awesome, guys. So Lord Spriggan won the battle obviously because it has rubber on it, and I used it on left spin mode, so it spin stealed and won the battle against it. So next up we'll do a battle against its evolution, which is World Spriggan. So World Spriggan has a lot of stamina and heavy too. It would be a tough match now. However, I want Ashura to win the battle no matter who the opponent is. And imagine a bay like Ashura winning World Spriggan. So that's it, guys, for today. I hope you saw everything about Ashura in this video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned. And one more thing, Ashura does not sucks. And for everyone who has seen this far, just comment hashtag Ashura OP and also put a fire in it, guys, so that I can see how many of you guys have seen till this far. I can still use my YT Studio app, but you guys can comment too. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Peace out.